Good morning, Warrior families and community. Superintendent Peter Olsen-Skog here at the brand new and yes, still under construction Henry Sibley High School. It's really exciting. When you walk in, people are going to be wowed by a two-story entrance. It's beautiful and it represents a big change from the previous entrance, but it's not really about wowing. It's more importantly about connecting the high school. We have a staircase immediately when you enter to the right side that goes all the way from the third floor down to the first floor. There's new daylight that comes in. It creates a community feel as you enter, and there's a spot for community and students to gather. And it's just one change of many that are happening at Henry Sibley High School. And most of that is happening throughout this summer. It's a big summer for the school. Now, with the global pandemic that we're all doing our best to make it through, we have an opportunity to make lemonade out of lemons. And one of those opportunities is with our construction projects. We're able to get into some of our buildings a little bit earlier because kids aren't in them right now. Now, we still have some supply chain issues, but in some cases, the early start is going to allow us to finish some of our projects a little bit earlier than expected. And we're really excited about everything that's going on, and we want you to be too, so we're going to take you on a little tour of all the construction that's happening at 5 sites across our district. So there you have it. 5 sites under some pretty heavy construction. 3 sites we finished last year. It's just really exciting to see the walls going down, walls coming up, and we are excited to show it all off to you in its completed state this fall. Whether that ends up being virtually or in person, there are a lot of improvements happening that we want to show you, and thank you for all of your support. Go Warriors.